Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Amber if you're new here. Today I am going to show you my wig collection. Disclaimer, I know nothing about wigs, but I'm gonna show you mine and tell you where I got them. So if you like them, you can find them too, because they're all kind of good. There are a few that are kind of bad, ones from Amazon. But they're good prices, and it's better to buy them on Amazon than it is to buy at any Halloween store. So, first one we got is this one. It's a lace front from Amazon. Super cute. Don't think I paid over 40, but if I find it again, I'll link it below so you can check it out. Love it. Definitely, don't think I cut those right, but I think it looks pretty natural. Kind of, maybe. You guys let me know what you think. Let me know your favorite too. Super cute. I don't know how long this one is. I bought a bunch of these wigs, so I could have a cute Instagram, like when it comes to like the makeup Instagram. So, yeah, these are super fun to play with. Next one. So this purple one is the next one. Got this from Amazon. I love this one. It's so long. I'm just kidding. If I'm sniffling through this like whole video, I'm so sorry. I just had COVID for the first time. Actually the week I was moving here, so that was fun. I felt like my back was killing me. No lie. This one is definitely a very good one because it's like super thick compared to like the ones at Halloween stores are like so thin. I actually have one that kind of looks like it's from a Halloween store, but really it's from Amazon. Next one. This one is from Amazon as well. Most of these wigs are like around 40, 50, I believe. There's only one that I spent a lot of money on, which I'll show you later. Maybe I'll save that one for last. I don't know. It's not even my favorite. But this we got. This one is a lace front. The ones I've shown so far have been all lace front. This one I feel like doesn't look that bad. Light pink, you got some blonde highlights. So I think the highlights make it look normal or like real. But maybe I should wear this one out. Like, we could always add something. Here we go. Add some cuteness. Okay. Any guesses where this is from? I feel like this is actually looks like a kid wig. It was like a clown show. But no, that's not what I was thinking. I was thinking more so The Fifth Element. My natural hair would probably end up looking like this if it were short. Okay, next one. All the wigs had this. And they all had, well, obviously the ones with bangs don't have the lace front, but also from Amazon. I'm not that crazy about the color. However, this is so cute. I think this is more so bob because it's shorter in the back, longer in the front. I've also always wanted this haircut, but again, I would have a fro. Which maybe I should just suck it up and do it. And if I don't like it, I'll just always wear it up. Like I do anyways. If you want to cosplay as an elf from Zelda. It used to be one of my favorites. But then I feel like it's not really my color at all. Which I feel like a lot of them might not be my color, but it's okay. Because you can always edit it and make it look different. Okay, next. There's the front. I guess like if you pin this right, yeah. I wonder if anyone actually has this as their hair. That'd be cool. You a badass. Yeah, so this one's from Amazon too. Yeah, so I didn't like this one when I first bought it, but I kind of like it now. It's super like, it matches this outfit so well. Let me know, which one's y'all's favorite? Whether you like it on me or you guys would totally buy it. I wanna know. Don't make me feel like I'm talking to a wall. I guess I'm gonna start saying that in every video. Okay, next one. Oh, wait. This is so like, what is it, 2000, early 2000 look, maybe? So it's just like a little longer and like covering. There's my emo look. I'm having too much fun with this. I guess in camera it doesn't look too bad. Like it needs to be clipped for sure. It doesn't look right. And definitely this was the worst one that I've cut. There's like a lot of like short hairs. This one's from Amazon too. So what do you think? Should I cut my hair? Maybe we should evolved. Yeah, should I keep my long hair or should I chop it off? I think I could. I should do it. I mean, it's not like it's growing healthy anyways, so. I used to be a swimmer, and then in the military, you know, you have to, well, at least for me, when I was in, I had to always wear it in a bun and then put a cranial on my head. And so that just killed my hair so bad. So ever since then, I'm like, I can't put it up anymore because it keeps breaking. I also only wash my hair like twice a week because curly hair problems. You know, we gotta keep the moisture as long as possible. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is my mother of dragon wig. It's the longest one I have. It's touching my butt. Oh, I mean, there was a point in everyone's life where they just wanted to be Khaleesi, right? Or is that just me? Now I'm like Legolas. What's his name from Lord of the Rings? Legolas. Orlando Bloom's character in Lord of the Rings, okay? Give me some ears. I think pointy ears are so cute. Like, if you have big ears, that's cute. Don't ever be ashamed of that. Even if people make fun of you, that says more about them than it does about you. Don't be a bully. I'm so gonna dress up as an elf and post a picture. Oh, this one's fun. Do I look good as a blonde? Maybe not this blonde, but... Okay, next one. Next one is my mama's hair. This is also from Amazon. I don't know what to do with this part. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Oh, that last wig was the one that shed the most. And it was also the thinnest one. Oh, shit. I'm on the first floor. And my window's open. Oh, whatever. Judge me, I don't care. This one also touches my butt. The best part of wearing wigs is the flip. This one's super thick. I feel like I could do a little plucking, but I also don't want to mess it up even more. Not that I messed it up before, but that's that. What do you think of this one? This is from Amazon. This could also be, you know, if you want to be the Grudge for Halloween, this is perfect. Grudge or The Ring. The Ring was actually the first scary movie I've ever seen. Okay, next one. Do you know where this is from? Should I sing this song? It's from Mykie. This is the box it came in. I wanted all of them, but they were a little expensive, and by the time I was ready to buy the other ones, it was like, because I didn't really like this one at first, but in the camera it looked really cute. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, this is like Laguna Beach right here. I'm Kristen. Okay, so I really wanted that red one, but it also came with a stand, which is pretty cool. It came with the stand and that brush. And a little bag. This was all the rage. Wearing your hair like this. I feel like I look like a country bumpkin in this one. I'm from Houston, so. Actually, so I was born in Santa Cruz, California. And then when I was 10, we moved to Houston. However, I am half of half. I'm half of both because my mama's from Texas, my daddy's from California. As I say that in a super country accent. I also used to be an actress before the Navy. I was in a movie. If anyone wants to go see it, it's on Amazon for free. Just know that was like 2014. Okay, let's bring it back and see what it looks like. There we go. This normal. Here we go again, me and my bobs. I love it. It's so soft. And like I've had it for a really long time and it's still like pretty straight. And so like, also, I'm like purposely doing it like that. We have 12, and that is my 12 wigs. I still definitely need to get a red one. So, that is my wig collection. Tell me which one's your favorite, and which one's your least favorite, and which one you think I look the best in. Like I said, I think this looks better when it's turned a little bit, like a side part. Also, let me know if you would like to see another shoe video because that seemed to be really popular. I'm thinking about going shopping. Okay, guys. Subscribe, like, and I already told you what to comment, so see you in my next one. Oh my god, this one is so tight. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm really like...